is there. Today, I want to discuss very interesting topic, which is the future of education, how technology is transforming learning. ChatGPT, are you ready for that? Hello, hello, ChatGPT.
Hello, it's great to hear from you. How can I assist you today?
I want to discuss very interesting topic, which is the future of education, how technology is transforming learning.
That's a fascinating topic. Technology is definitely reshaping education in so many ways, from online learning platforms to AI driven personalized learning. What specific aspects are you interested in exploring?
Yes, of course, I want to know how is artificial intelligence changing the way students learn and teachers to teach.
Absolutely. AI is making a big impact. For students, AI can personalize learning by adapting content to their individual needs, offering instant feedback, and even helping with tutoring through chatbots. For teachers, AI can automate administrative tasks, provide insights on student performance, and even suggest tailored resources. It's definitely revolutionizing the whole educational landscape.
Thank you so much for that. Now I want to know my second question: what role will virtual classroom and online learning play in future of education?
Virtual classrooms and online learning are definitely going to be central in the future of education. They offer flexibility, accessibility, and the ability to connect learners from all over the world. Plus, they can incorporate immersive technologies like VR and AR to create engaging, interactive experiences. They'll likely complement traditional classrooms and help cater to diverse learning styles.
Uh, uh, Differentiate between AR and VR. Explain with the simple example.
Of course. So AR, or augmented reality, overlays digital content onto the real world. For example, if you use an AR app on your phone, you might see virtual furniture placed in your living room to see how it looks before buying it. VR, or virtual reality, on the other hand, completely immerses you in a digital environment. For instance, when you put on a VR headset, you're transported to a completely virtual world, like exploring a different country or fantasy realm. In short, AR adds to your real world, while VR creates a completely new one.
Thank you so much for that. Now I want to know how we can differentiate uh, the VR and AR with a case study.
Absolutely. Let's consider a case study involving education. AR case study: imagine a biology class where students use an AR app on their tablets. When they point their device at a textbook, they see 3D models of the human heart that they can rotate and explore in detail. This enhances their understanding of anatomy without leaving the classroom. VR case study: now consider a history class where students wear VR headsets to take a virtual tour of ancient Rome. They can walk through the streets, enter historical buildings, and experience the environment as if they were actually there. This completely immerses them in the historical context. In essence, AR enhances the real world with digital elements, while VR creates a completely new immersive world.
Thank you so much for giving me a very interesting explanation. Amazing for me. And now I want to know what role will virtual classroom and online learning play in the future of education?
Virtual classrooms and online learning are definitely going to be key components of the future of education. They offer incredible flexibility, allowing students to learn from anywhere in the world and at their own pace. This can help bridge gaps for students who might not have access to traditional schooling due to geographical or logistical barriers. Additionally, virtual classrooms can incorporate interactive tools like live discussions, breakout rooms, and real-time feedback, making learning more engaging and collaborative. Over time, they'll likely complement traditional in person learning, creating a more blended and holistic educational experience.
How might virtual reality and augmented reality create more engaging learning experience?
Absolutely. Both VR and AR can significantly enhance learning experiences. VR immerses students completely in a simulated environment, making it perfect for subjects like history, science, or even complex engineering concepts where visualization is key. AR, on the other hand, adds interactive digital layers to the real world, making it ideal for hands on learning and real time experimentation. Combined, they make education more interactive, memorable, and accessible, helping students grasp complex concepts more effectively and engagingly.
Thank you so much for that. Now I want to know how can technology help students in remote or rural areas access quality of education?
That's a great question. Technology can really merge the gap for students in remote or rural by providing access to high quality educational resources that might not be available locally. For instance, online learning platforms can connect them with expert teachers and a vast array of learning materials. Additionally, tools like AR and VR can bring immersive experiences to students who might not have the opportunity to visit certain places in person. This kind of technology helps level the playing field and ensures that every student has the chance to learn and grow.
Thank you so much. Give me a real life example of the above.
Sure. A great example is the use of online learning platforms in rural India. For instance, initiatives like the Diksha platform provide digital content and resources to students and teachers in remote areas. Through these platforms, students can access high quality lessons, videos, and interactive exercises on their smartphones or tablets, even without stable internet connections. Another example is the use of VR in rural schools in Africa, where students can take virtual field trips to places like the Louvre or the Great Barrier Reef, which would otherwise be inaccessible. These real life examples show how technology can really transform education in underserved areas.
Thank you so much for explaining. Now I want to know the real life skills, like what skills will student need in future to success in a technology driven world. Can you give me a detailed answer?
Absolutely. As technology continues to evolve, students will need a variety of skills to thrive in the tech driven world. Some key skills include one, digital literacy, understanding how to use digital tools, platforms, and software effectively is fundamental. This includes everything from basic computer skills to understanding how to navigate complex digital environments to data literacy. Being able to understand, analyze, and interpret data is crucial. This includes skills like data visualization, statistical analysis, and understanding data privacy. Three, critical thinking and problem solving. With technology rapidly changing, the ability to think critically, adapt, and solve problems creatively is more important than ever. Four, coding and programming, having a basic understanding of coding languages like Python, JavaScript, or HTML can be a huge advantage even at a foundational level. Five, collaboration and communication. Technology often involves working in teams, sometimes remotely, so strong communication skills and the ability to collaborate effectively are key. Six, adaptability and lifelong learning. The tech world is always evolving, so being open to continuous learning and adapting to new tools and trends is essential. These skills together help students not only succeed in tech related fields, but also navigate the future workplace with confidence.
Thank you so much for giving me a detailed answer. Thank you for now. I would like to join uh, in next session. See you later.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could